Hi, my name is Diana Marcela Tovar, describing outfits and likes. George Casual. He is George. He is all elegant. He likes to dress and feel young. Is wearing tight jeans, tie and sack, also a hat that covers his head. Your glasses cannot be missing looks much. Doesn't like to use tennis. Think they're taking elegance away. George's model. He is a licensed model. He has an athletic body, and he likes the beach because he can take many selfies. He wears a short and his favorite t-shirt. He likes glasses even though he doesn't wear. Daniela Fashion. Oh, she is special. She is young, exuberant, and lively. She is slim and active. She often wears colorful clothing. Do you see is both? She wears a purple shirt and shirt. She has a creative mind. She loves to do her makeup and paint her hair in many colors. Kelly Baby. She is beautiful baby. She has lovely smile and her skin color is fantastic. She wears a bow and short blue blouse, likes to feel cool and doesn't like shows. Thank you.